Your team needs access. Fast. But are you still fighting the old battle? The ticket chaos, the email floods, and the missing audit trail? It's not just inefficient, it's a security risk. Ready to put an end to the chaos, enforce least privilege with the least friction, and maintain security and compliance? Introducing the Identity Governance Access Requests learning path. You will become familiar with the Access Request feature of Okta Identity Governance and utilize it to automate the entire access request process. Learn to configure the who, what, and for how long to ensure only the right people get access to the right things. Implement approval sequences that automatically route requests to the approver every time. You'll gain hands-on experience in configuring the access request process for day one productivity, helping your system comply and your employees be more productive. Stop fighting the chaos. Start centralizing your governance and strengthening your security posture. Enroll in the Identity Governance Access Requests learning path today.